Oh no, David.
What happened?
I wanted to wake up early today, but I pressed the snooze button 5 times.
5 times? That's not waking up early. That's professional sleeping.
Very funny.
What time did you finally wake up?
Around 9 o'clock.
Wow, your alarm worked harder than you did.
Okay, let's change the subject before you make more jokes.
Good idea, because today's topic is daily habits.
That's right. Today, we're going to learn useful English expressions for daily habits and routines.
We'll talk about morning habits, healthy habits, bad habits, and simple ways to improve your day.
And you'll learn practical English that you can use every day.
Let's get started.
What is the first thing you do when you wake up?
The first thing I do is drink a glass of water.
Before coffee?
Yes, water helps me wake up naturally. Then I make coffee.
I usually check my phone first.
A lot of people do that.
I check messages, emails, and social media.
And how do you feel afterward?
Honestly, sometimes stressed.
That's why I avoid my phone for the first 15 minutes.
That's a good habit.
Small habits can make a big difference.
Let's teach some useful morning phrases.
Great idea. Repeat after us.
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
I get out of bed immediately.
I brush my teeth.
I wash my face.
I take a shower.
I get dressed.
I make my bed.
I eat breakfast.
Excellent. These are common daily routine expressions. Do you always eat breakfast? Most of the time. What about you?
Almost every day. I think breakfast is important.
What do you usually eat?
Eggs, toast, and coffee.
That sounds healthy. I usually eat cereal or fruit.
Breakfast gives your body energy.
That's true. I feel much better when I eat breakfast.
Let's learn some breakfast vocabulary.
Toast,
Eggs,
cereal,
Fruit,
coffee,
tea,
orange juice.
oatmeal.
Now let's use them in sentences.
I eat toast and eggs every morning.
I drink orange juice with breakfast.
I enjoy coffee before work.
I usually eat fruit in the morning.
Great job, everyone.
After breakfast, most people go to work or school.
That's right. How do you usually get to work?
I take the bus.
What do you do during the ride?
Sometimes I listen to music. Sometimes I listen to English podcasts.
That's a great habit.
What about you?
I usually listen to audiobooks.
So you're learning while traveling.
Exactly. It's a productive use of time.
What does productive mean?
Productive means using your time in a useful way.
That's a useful word.
Here's another tip for our listeners. Try to add English to your daily routine.
You can listen to English while walking,
While driving,
while exercising,
or while cooking.
even 10 minutes a day can help.
Now let's talk about bad habits.
Uh-oh, this part sounds dangerous.
Why?
Because I have several bad habits.
Only several?
Okay, maybe more than several.
That's more honest.
One bad habit is staying up too late.
That's a common problem.
I always tell myself, just one more video.
And suddenly, it's midnight.
Exactly.
I have a similar problem.
Really?
Sometimes I spend too much time scrolling on my phone.
It's easy to lose track of time.
Very easy.
How can we improve bad habits?
Start small. Don't try to change everything at once.
Can you give an example?
Sure. If you spend too much time on social media, reduce it by 10 minutes each day.
That sounds manageable.
Or replace a bad habit with a good one.
Like reading a book instead of scrolling?
Exactly. That's a great example.
Let's learn some useful expressions.
Repeat after us.
I'm trying to wake up earlier.
I'm working on better habits.
I want to be more productive.
I need to stay focused.
I'm building healthy habits.
I'm improving little by little.
Excellent! These expressions are useful in daily conversations.
What do you usually do after work?
I like going for a walk.
That's healthy.
Walking helps me relax.
I enjoy exercising after work.
What kind of exercise?
Usually running or going to the gym.
Exercise is a great habit.
Definitely. It improves both physical and mental health.
Another good habit is reading.
I agree. Reading helps you learn new ideas.
And for English learners, reading helps improve vocabulary.
Exactly. Even 10 pages a day can make a difference.
What about evening routines?
Evening routines are important too.
What do you usually do before bed?
I try to avoid my phone.
That's difficult.
It is, but it helps me sleep better.
What do you do instead?
I read a book or listen to relaxing music.
That sounds peaceful.
What about you?
I like writing down my plans for the next day.
That's a great habit.
It helps me stay organized.
Organization reduces stress.
Exactly.
Here's an important lesson. Success comes from consistency.
What does consistency mean?
Doing something regularly, again and again.
So, studying English for 15 minutes every day is better than studying 3 hours once a month?
Exactly. Consistency beats intensity.
I like that phrase.
Small actions repeated every day create big results.
The same is true for learning English.
And for building healthy habits.
Let's review today's vocabulary.
Wake up.
Get out of bed.
Brush your teeth.
Take a shower.
Get dressed.
Make your bed.
Healthy habit.
Bad habit.
Stay focused.
Be productive.
Stay organized.
Consistency.
Excellent work, everyone.
Before we finish, here's a question for our listeners.
What's one habit you want to improve this week?
Maybe waking up earlier.
Maybe exercising more.
Maybe practicing English every day.
Choose one small habit and start today.
Remember, you don't need to be perfect.
You just need to keep improving.
One small step at a time.
One day at a time.
Thank you for joining us today on Madi English.
We hope you learned useful English and helpful life habits.
Keep practicing
Keep learning.
and keep building good habits.
We'll see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone.
Take care and have a wonderful day.